Okay, to do mono printing, you're going to need a printing block. I set up my painting space with a placemat, watercut paper towels, liquid tempera paint, pencil to write my name on my paper, and then I actually grabbed some artist trading cards. This is kind of a great way to try a new technique. So when we do mono printing, we're going to make our print right on the block with liquid tempera paint. So I'm going to put some paint on my brush. I'm going to make some designs. You can paint a picture. This paint does dry fast, so you have to work kind of quickly. If I want to mix colors, I'm going to make sure that I wash, I wipe, and I blot before I change colors. And then I can mix right on the printing block, or you could use a magazine page or a palette. One of my favorite things to do is flip this paintbrush over and use the handle and do some designs with lines into your printing block. Now this is called mono printing because you're going to make one print. So now I have my artist trading card with my name and class on it, and I'm going to press this down on top of wherever I want to make the print. Gently tap, grab a corner, and when you peel it off, you get a print of what's on here. It's going to be in reverse. So if you wanted to do letters, like if I wanted to do an R, my R needs to be backwards. If I'm going to do a word, my entire word needs to be backwards. You can try doing more than one print, but each print that you make after your first one's going to get lighter and a little bit blurrier. So really your first print will be your best print. So there's my R. Because these are so small, when you put them in the drying rack, it might be a good idea to lay them on top of a paper towel like this so they don't fall through the drying rack slots. And then this can all go in the drying rack. When you clean up, you're going to clean up all painting materials just like you've been taught in the painting center. And then you'll be taking this to the sink to wash it. When it's time to wash your printing plate, put this in the sink, turn the water on. You can use your hands or you can use a large brush to help get this paint off. It is a little bit stained and that's okay. So you're just trying to get all that wet paint off. Make sure you wash your brush with the bathtub, put those away hairdo up. And then when this is clean, you're going to get a paper towel and you're going to blot it dry with a paper towel. And you might have to use more than one paper towel for this. And then these get returned to where these printing blocks go after you've blotted it dry.